You came to talk to me, and that's fine. And I let you know I don't want to talk to y'all. I'm just trying to mind my business. I'm trying to take pictures. I'm not paying attention to what I'm taking pictures of. It's a car. If it has a license plate on it, it's a license
I'm going to
plate
give it to you. I'm going to cooperate. Can I have your name and badge number? I'm asking you a question. Are you afraid? Do you feel threat?
What's the nature of your business, what you're doing?
Just taking pictures and videos, man.
Pictures and video, I know, but you're taking pictures and video, walking around the police lot.
Yeah.
He obviously has a shirt that stands out for potential whatever reasons you want.
Potential what?
You're recording me, and I don't care about being recorded, but when 2 + 2 makes 4, it just makes me want to say hi.
Okay.
So
Hi.
what's up? So what's your intent?
Am I being held? Am I being detained or anything?
You're not.
I don't wish to talk to you. I'm okay. I'm just minding my business, man. I'm just taking pictures and minding my business. I just got done putting in a complaint on one officer. You're not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong. Exactly.
Since we're on a public sidewalk, I'm just going to hang out with you while we do this, all right?
Oh, perfect. You want to follow me?
No.
I want to go down there. You said you're going to hang out with me. I'm not detained, right? I'm free to go?
You're free to go.
I'm going to go down that way.
You don't have to do anything.
Okay, I'm going to go down that way. I don't want y'all to think I'm being aggressive or anything. I want to walk that
But it
way.
is kind of weird when someone's just walking around, just possibly going like this and all this. Because if I did it, if you did it in any other location, it'd be kind of weird, right? Yeah, I know. Because it's the same thing. Like if I go like this, yeah, exactly. It's the same concept.
Yeah.
So it just makes sense to kind of like, we just want to know. It's kind of weird. And I haven't seen you today. You look like you're kind of new.
Okay.
Are you kind of new to the area?
I don't answer questions. I already let y'all know I don't want to talk to y'all. I don't wish to speak to y'all. I'm just taking pictures. You came to talk to me, and that's fine. And I let you know I don't want to talk to y'all. I'm just trying to mind my business. I'm trying to take pictures and enjoy my time here. That's all I'm trying to do.
The best pictures are that way. You're taking pictures of our cars.
You must not like cops.
I must not like cops.
You said the best pictures are here. The best pictures are in there.
I guess if that's how you feel.
I mean, y'all don't like that? Y'all don't like watching your videos and your cars? You don't like your bikes and stuff like that? I love to see that kind of stuff. Okay. Can I walk?
Yeah, you can walk.
Okay,
We're
thank
not
you.
impeding you or nothing.
Thank you. So they can't stop me videoing. This is fine. She's probably the one that told him right there. A lot of cops coming in here. Man, they're in and out. This is crazy. I've never seen a cop place this busy. This is wild. What's going on, guys? Huh? I know. I'm here just visiting everything. I just talked to them. I'm just taking pictures, man. I love police stations. I got several of y'all coins. Well, not y'all coins, but several cop cars. We're good. I'm just gonna continue. No ice coins. If I did, I sell them. Not on me, but I did have a TCU police coin and then a Mexican flag police coin.
Hey, did you leave a bag over there by chance?
Negative. I don't have anything on me. Those officers down there just talk to me. If you want to get with them, they just talk to me. I told them I don't wish to conversate with y'all. I'm literally just trying to mind my business, take pictures, guys. I'm just visiting and I'm just doing a tour. I don't need any escorts or anything. I appreciate it though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know who called, but I don't care. It's gonna be this lady in this car. She pulled over a cop. She's like, hey, come here. And then she's like, you see that guy? Go get him. I don't know word for word. I'm exaggerating, but that's exactly what happened. I seen him talking, and as soon as he seen him talking, that cop looked straight at me and was like, all right, I'm gonna watch him, because she said something. I don't provide any of that. I don't have to.
Right now, it's just a contact.
Yeah.
Because we just got a call for. They said that you were taking pictures of license plates and stuff.
I don't know. I just taking pictures. I'm not paying attention to what I'm taking pictures of. It's a car. If it has a license plate on it, it has a license plate on it. Your uniform has a name on it. I took pictures of your name. I mean, I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, your name's in there. I don't know what I take pictures of, man. It's just a car. I thought that blue car was cool. Took a picture of it. I might have taken a license plate picture. No, this blue one right here. Yeah. I've never seen one like that. That was pretty legit. I don't know that. I don't know what it is. That's what I'm saying. I just came in here. I just love seeing what kind of stuff y'all have. Y'all do know y'all have like crap that no other police department has, right? Police department in general. Texas doesn't have vans like that. Texas doesn't have any civilian stuff like that. I mean, that's just stuff that I've noticed. Virginia doesn't have like a lot of cars like this. Not unmarked like that. They have them not unmarked. But like those, the United States Capitol. Come on, take a picture of it. That's awesome. You're there.
Okay.
Virginia, you're there. I'm not in Texas anymore. Texas is boring.
You got like an Instagram page that does like.
I have a TikTok. I mean, I don't post anything on TikTok, but I have a TikTok.
I know some people like to take pictures.
I'm literally just a tourist, guys.
Okay.
I'm just taking pictures and videos for my own memory. I'm a journalist for the
What part of
sake.
Texas?
Fort Worth.
Fort Worth?
Yeah.
Nice area.
Oh, I love that place. Yeah.
Dallas area.
I've been all over Texas. I've been all over everywhere. I travel all the time. I mean, I can only see it and remember it until I get old, and then I can't remember it.
No, all we got's our memories.
Then now I have videos. See?
Your double video.
Absolutely.
What's?
It's a gimbal.
Oh, yeah.
It's a gimbal.
Like a giant
That's it. That's just, yeah. It holds it.
Does it have like a handle?
It does. Can I grab it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
You can. It opens,
How does it work?
and then I put it in, and then I
So
can
is it like
stand
a
it.
selfie stick?
Yeah, because I can tripod it. I turn it on, it'll go in, and it'll follow me. I just got done using it at the Capitol.
So it goes in and
Yeah, it goes in like this,
and then
it
you
rotates.
Video yourself.
Oh, I can video out.
But then what is it? Does it like steady it so it
It's a-
doesn't,
yeah.
you don't get the shaking?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So when I was in front of the monument, I just set it down, faced it towards me, and then I just took pictures and stuff like that. So it comes in handy.
Does it charge?
It does.
Oh,
It
so-
powers on. It's a universal battery. So you see how it catches?
So you don't have to put batteries in it?
Nope.
You gotta-
And then you get the app, you zoom in, zoom out, you go this way, you can do different POFs and stuff like that. It's because I don't have my phone, it's not turning. But you
So
can
this
see.
kind of keeps it up, everything steady.
Yes.
Does it extend, or is it just like that's the height?
No, I have an extension. I just didn't bring it with me because I don't need it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So it's easy to carry because like you see, it's a stick and I just stick it in my pocket and just walk with it.
Yeah, I thought it was.
I
Like
never
a
had
selfie
any
stick.
issues with it, yeah. I mean, it can be a selfie stick if you use it that way.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Now it doesn't go anywhere.
No, not a bad idea.
I'm gonna get out the way, guys. We're like blocking everything. I don't want to block anything.
So, you know, where we're coming from, you're taking pictures of all the vehicles and stuff.
I get it.
Recent media events and stuff.
I get it.
The ICE detention center, I wasn't down.
Not fuck ICE, I'm not sure. Like, I get all that.
You just never know. So
I used to be
you wanna make
military. I have family that's in the law enforcement. I get your side. I understand that. But like on my side as well, I'm just a tourist, man. I'm not doing it. If I'm not doing anything
just
wrong.
wanna make contact
Yeah.
and make sure you're not like-
Y'all were professional. Y'all were great. Not like Julio Castro. That fucking dickbag.
In the previous video, we saw a citizen boldly stand up for his rights when confronted by the police, but things don't end there. In this video, the tension rises even higher when a driver gets pulled over just for flipping off a cop. From sharp comebacks to calm defiance, this man shows exactly how to stand your ground when officers try to push their authority too far. It's a perfect example of free speech versus police ego, and it'll make you question, is freedom of expression truly respected, or is this just another case of abuse of power? Watch till the very end and tell us in the comments, who do you think was in the right here, the driver or the officer?
I think you're pulling me over for flipping you off.
Okay, no, sir. Everyone flips me off all day long, believe it or not.
What's your name and badge number?
Okay, license, registration, insurance. No, sir. It's not in our policy to give that.
It's not in your policy. How do I know you're a police officer? How can I check into it? My license right here, my registration right here.
All right, provide
Can I have your badge
as
number?
required by law.
Badge 275, named Dell.
Oh, you can read. Very good. That's impressive.
That's what if I couldn't? Are you trying to tease me?
License, registration, insurance.
Right here. And I only got to present it to you. I don't have to hand it to you. That's the law.
Okay, I have to be able to read it and run it.
You can read it. Here's my license. Can you read that? Yeah, you got to back up quick. Here's my registration.
All right, sir. Hop on out for me.
Hop on out. Do you feel threatened?
I'm telling you to hop out. I don't
I'm asking you a question. Are you afraid? Do you feel threatened? Is there a reason you're asking me to get out?
I don't need a reason.
You don't need a reason for
Correct.
PA versus Mills.
It's correct. No weapons on you?
License registration right here.
All right.
What do you need? My license registration.
Yeah.
Which one you want?
All of it. I need to be able to
It's
read
right
it.
here. Look.
All right, thank you.
License, look at my name. You can read it.
Okay. County 1123, hold on. Daytona Heights, what brings you out here?
I'm working. I'm coming right here to Sherwin-Williams, and I don't have to answer your questions.
25649-114. We're good for now. Your insurance card, got it right here. Very good. What makes you hate the police?
Hate the police? I see if you're going to honor your oath, the contract you signed with the American citizens.
You on drugs today, sir?
I told you I don't answer questions.
Okay. You just answered my question.
I don't answer questions.
You're replying. Answer. Very good. Very good. Now you're learning. Nothing illegal in the car then. All right. As soon as your license comes back, we'll be on our way. Alrighty.
Okay. So you didn't pull me over for flipping you off?
No, that's not a valid reason to stop.
Exactly. I believe you did.
I was already going to pull you over by the time you were flipping me off.
All right.
Yes, sir.
This guy in charge here.
He is. Is it because he's old?
How you doing, sir?
What's going on, boss?
I flipped this guy off to see if he's going to honor his oath in the contract he signed with the citizens of the United States of America, and he pulled me over for it. And then
out of your way to offend an officer.
offend them? I'm exercising my constitutional rights. Is that offending you? The one you took an oath to honor and
Would you
uphold?
appreciate somebody flipping you off?
It's your right.
Would you get upset?
What did you just throw in my car?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions? He just threw something in my truck. And he don't answer questions. You know what he threw in my truck?
Let's get out of here.
I didn't throw it at you. I handed it to you. Don't fucking throw it at me. He threw it in my car. Don't throw it in my truck.
After watching both videos, one thing becomes crystal clear. Knowing your rights isn't optional. It's essential. Both men handled their situations differently, but they shared one powerful message. Never let authority silence your freedom. In the first video, we saw a calm and confident citizen refuse to be intimidated, reminding the officers that the law protects public filming. In the second, a driver stood firm after being stopped for something as petty as flipping off a cop, proving that free speech is not a crime. These encounters remind us how easily power can be abused when citizens stay silent. But when you stand your ground, stay respectful, and know your rights, you take that power back. What do you think, were the officers justified, or did they cross the line? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real encounters that expose the truth and defend your rights.